and I'm going to start closing my chuck jaws, and I want to make sure that my jaws are right in the middle of the flat, A, and B, that my jaws are gripping my part equally. I'm not cocked or canted, so I'm spending time closing my jaws very gently on this part until I feel the part firmly seated on the chuck jaws.
Right.
Okay. Now, I'm not concerned with this face at all because it's a rough cut face.
Okay.
All I'm concerned about is what I look like when we turn the machine on. The face is wobbling like crazy and I don't care. What I see right now is the top of the part. As I look straight across, it's running true. So, that tells me I've got the axis that I want running true. I can now make this face perpendicular to that and everything's going to be looking good.
Right, so you got it, like the plane is just off. It's just
right, this plane is just a bandsaw cut plane, so we don't even care about that.
That's why it's all wobbly like that.
That's all wobbly.
Alright.
But the outside of this is running true.
Right.
So now what you want to do is put your left hand tool in here and very carefully, 15 thousandths until you get it clean. You take off as much little material as possible, but you want as good a surface finish on that face as you can get.
It's a left-hand tool, not that boring bar. Yeah, that's got to go right there.
Yeah,
all
this
right.
puppy, right here.
All right.
Just like that.
All right.
We'll just make it.
I measured it before, and then I wobbled it again, and then I was like,
Hopefully you didn't loosen that thing.
Huh?
If you loosened it, you do. Okay. Yeah, you did. But you need that wobbling. You need that running absolutely true. So the idea is you want this.
Here, I thought we were going to take some more off, but I guess we measured it. We're good, so we're going to go more off the cap. We're just going to go bigger, so I'm going to change up for that.
Running big. I want you to reface that. But don't loosen it, don't take it out, don't do anything to get it facing.
oh, I didn't face it.
Oh.
That's why. I just put it in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just moved it out for you. Come on. No, alright. So,
That would be the shittiest.
okay.
I'll get
you can
that
see how good my eyes are.
Okay.
Alright, so left hand will go.
Alright, so basically I gotta